The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Parker County in north-central Texas, northern Hood County in north-central Texas, until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:57 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Western Lake, or 10 miles north of Granbury, and is nearly stationary. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Granbury, Brock, Western Lake, Oak Trail Shores, Horseshoe Bend, Stockton Bend, Wapples, Dennis, Tintop, and Lake Granbury. This includes Interstate 20 between mile markers 393 and 394. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. The current time is